In this lesson, students use their work with the Take From 10 strategy in grade 1 to help them take from 100. So for instance, in this problem here, students know how much 100 minus 90 is, so they can take 90 from 100 and have 10 left and add 6 more to it. We'll show students some written methods for showing the work, but ideally, or in the long run, students will be able to do this work mentally, and this written work of the number bonds and these number sentences can be used if they need to demonstrate what it is that they did mentally. So I can do this in my head right now and know that that answer is 26. But if you ask me, how did you do that? I could say, okay, I thought about 116 as 116, 2 parts to this number, and I thought 100 minus 90 equals 10, and then I added my 10 plus the 16 to get me 26. I was able to do it mentally, but then if I needed to show you, I had a written method for demonstrating what I did mentally. Students can do the same thing here. Give yourself a second. Can you use the Take From 100 strategy in your mind to tell what that answer will be? You have it? Okay, let's see if it's the same as I find here. Let's think of 114 broken into 114. 100 minus 80 is 20. 20 plus that 14 is 34. Is that what you got? Excellent. You can see how this actually can be a much more efficient strategy than going back to the vertical form algorithm, where students would then have to think about renaming everything. You can do that and solve this problem, but you can also use your Take From 100 based on the Take From 10 strategy even more efficiently. So 115 minus 80, what's that going to be? I think it's 35. What do you think? Let's try. I think about 115 separated into 115 as the 2 parts. And I take 80 from 100, and then I add it back with my 15 that I left there to get 35. You can even do it for a little bit more complicated. This one should be 53, I believe. Let's see. 100 minus 70 equals 30. 30 plus 23 equals, yes, 53. Want to try this one before I complete it? Got your idea? Okay. I know I can take 60 from 100. And I know I can add that 27 back with our 40. 127 minus 60 equals 67. And that continues throughout